How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Capital Gains 500 video. Today we are looking at NIO. NIO. This is a company you probably already know about it. I know I'm already late to talk about it. Could have let you guys know about this stock earlier, but the truth is I didn't know about this stock. I just started seeing it in chat groups and YouTube videos and all over the place, and apparently there's a lot of spotlight on this stock. So let's take a look at the stock and see what the heck is up with this. Is it a good buy? What do I think about it? And as far as just looking at the initial graph we have on display of a 1 month chart. If you would have bought a month ago, shoulda, woulda, coulda, yes, you would have doubled your money already, but that doesn't exist. Right now, we are having an EV craze. It's an EV bubble, in my opinion. There is no reason why a company should double overnight. Well, in my eyes, overnight. It doubled in like in a week, you know, July 1st to July 7th. In a week, it like doubled. Market cap, $11 billion. Yes, they do make cars. They do make electric vehicles. They do already sell them, primarily in China. And that is problem number one. It is a Chinese-based company. I am very proud to be in America, and my whole thing is no shade in China, but like, why would you want to invest in a company that isn't really bringing economic growth in your country? You know, yes, you're making money in the stock market, but that's not contributing to GDP in our economy, in our market. So for that reason, I am out. Everybody technically is right until they are wrong, and everybody looks for reasons to why things are happening. Any explanation is better than no explanation, and supposedly everybody's saying that NIO stock is surging because they had very great sales and blah blah blah, and they're making money and better than expectations. Better than what expectations? People didn't really know about this stock before it just got a craze and people just started finding it out and really promoting it on chat groups and junk and making videos about it. Again, how can this company be worth $11 billion when they're still technically losing money? Yes, I know many companies, they tend to lose money before they're profitable. I'm not giving them that benefit of the doubt. It was better. As you can see, they've only lost almost 15 cents per share. But now that the shares are worth more, is that going to bring their PE ratio down? Because the shares are holding up so high? What that tells me is that there's going to be a big drop in the near future. So people who are starting to buy this stock right now are pretty, I would say, in danger. They might say, oh no, it's going to go up to 20. And yes, in the near future, it could go up to 20. But I still don't see this company holding its value that high. And especially, why do you want to invest in a company outside the US? Why do you want to give your money to the Chinese? Again, no shame to them, but like, I would personally just invest. If I can't buy a full-on share of, for say, Tesla, which is currently trading at almost 1,400, an American company really bringing innovation here, bringing jobs over here, you could do fractional shares on Robinhood, which this account that I have does not, but my other account does. So you could be investing and following Tesla with whatever dollar amount that you have and investing into an American company. That's my only problem with NIO. I don't know. Let me know it down in the comments down below. What do you think? Should that bias not really work here in the stock market? We're all just trying to quote unquote make money, but again, people are gonna say, oh no, but in the long term it's gonna grow. In the long term it's gonna grow. Yes, technically everything should grow in the long term. But why would you want to invest in a company, once again, where it's in a communist country where the state can one day come and try to take ownership or direct them or tell them? And I've seen videos where they're like, oh, I can't wait until their cars are in the US. Bogus. They're not going to be in the US. Why? Because there's already trade wars and junk. So you're not thinking, if you're not looking at the bigger picture, it's going to hurt you in the long run, because I still do not see this stock holding its value over a long period. It'll have to go through so many hoops and bridges again so they can start exporting cars to the US, to other large markets. Since China is a big market already, NIO already has a competitor, Tesla. Elon Musk is working already with the Chinese government to do a factory over there. So I would again be putting my money on Tesla, because at the end of the day, as long as Tesla's profitable and they're making money, they're going to bring back their money to the US. And if you're investing in NIO just for the hype and everything, well, that's it. To me, it's just a hype. That's all I'm going to say. I am not buying any shares of this. EV stocks are taking off right now because it's just the craze. People who are telling you buy, 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 I don't know what the heck their reasoning is. You know, a good a positive message is better than a negative message, in my opinion. So I guess they just want to make their video great. But I'm here to tell the truth and give you guys my perspective. I'm actually very surprised that the analyst ratings on Robinhood are 15-15, kind of 50-50, and a hold. Why hold? I guess if you're holding under and you bought under $5, I would say hold. But right now it's just really tough. For me at $9, I think that's even a high valuation, fair price. But over 10, now we're just being silly. Again, if you feel like you don't have enough money to purchase something a better company with way better vehicles like Tesla with all their technology, and remember, China tends to copycat, so you know, no shade. What shade? What? I would just buy fractional shares of Tesla. That's all I'm going to say for this video. Leave your comments down below. What do you think? Am I wrong? I'm just giving you guys my opinion. Here for the drama, here for the stock news. Let me know your comments. I'm very interested. Again, I did not want to talk about this stock because I just don't like it. You know, crazy. To make a quick buck, yes, I'm on board with that, because making a quick buck, you're putting in money and you're taking it out. So then the stock price is going to be pushed down because people are selling. So of course, like right here, this nice run up from here to here, from $7.88 up to let's say $11.88, just to make $11.20 is a nice 20-30% return. So I like that, you know, making some quick gains here and there, you know, that's good. But investing in a long term, I would not in this company. Not because I don't know where they will be at, but because I don't want to invest in something that I'm not proud of and I'm not proud to own. And that's kind of my main thing with this company, plus the flaws that it has here and there. Other than that, you can't compare stocks to stocks, because I have seen other videos. Well, it's better than Nikola, so you should buy NIO. Well, it's better than Workhorse because they're actually making consumer vehicles. Well, that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You know, those are just validations that they want to give out, which are just made up. Anything, I can make up anything I want to, but I'm bringing you guys facts. China is a fact. You know, we okay with them right now, but, you know, trade wars, they're going to bring strain to the stock, strain to stocks, strain to our economy, and I'd rather have our economy prosper than have someone else's. So, no shade. If you're an outsider from looking at my video, you know, leave your comments down below. I really want to see what's up and what you guys think. A lot of people are jumping on, almost 250,000 people holding it on Robinhood. Again, if they're trying to make a quick buck, you know, I'd say, you know, go on for it. But if you want to hold this stock for long term, you're going to have some trouble. It's going to be a bumpy ride. Looking over at Webull, from buying it from $8 to where it's at right now is a really good return. A great straight line. Again, if you were buying this when people were signaling it to buy it, congratulations. But I feel like right now NIO might, I do probably see it going to 20. I don't know if it can go higher than that, unless people are just crazy, in my opinion. Crazy. Sorry, but that's just the truth. That's my truth, apparently. Like the cool kids say. I'll leave a like, comment down below. What do you guys think? And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX. Godspeed, Bob and Doug.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.